Hey guys, it's another profile pop-up, and no joke, you're practically invisible on LinkedIn. Here's how to fix it. Todd, this is for you. I know this was overdue. You had asked for this last year, so I apologize for not getting it done sooner. But this is what I mean, guys. The most important thing on your profile right now is the fact that you have a job that ended, and that makes you a lot. I mean, we're talking, I think it's up to 27 times less likely to be found in recruiter searches because you do not have a present job. Now, it's a catch-22, isn't it? You don't have a job, so why would you say you have a job? But unfortunately, LinkedIn penalizes you for it. But don't worry about it. There's a fix, and I've got a post that I did called Add a Job to Get One. I'll talk about it here more in a second. Now, with your headline, you have got so many roles and keywords in there which may or may not be helping you in terms of getting found. Try searching some of them, like putting in quotes, technical writer, and then choose your first degree connections and see how high up you are in the search results. That's another one of my hacks that I like to talk about. But then if that doesn't work, try replacing, take out, for example, one of these other ones. Let's say, I know technical writer is probably your main one, so I would say leave that one there. But take out technical trainer or editor or instructional designer. Take out a little bit of those other ones there because they may be hurting you, and worse, they're taking away from your chance to have more of a tagline. So on the tagline aspect and headlines, see my article called Headlines That Attract the Best Jobs and Leads. It's an oldie but goodie from 2017. I'll talk about that more in a second. Finally, I'm going to go down here, and the other big thing is turn off this competition. And you guessed it, I've already covered this, and it's also all of these things that I'm talking about are in the first article featured on my profile. It's called The Best LinkedIn Profiles That Pop Content Out There, and I update it almost daily, guys. Anyway, Todd, I hope that helped. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks.